Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin that we could join in ICCS conference. And today we would like to present our article with the title The Effect of the Lecture on Hidden Pupils on Parents with Children. This article led by Yoni Astuti, and the member is Charlie Usman. Yoni Astuti from Biochemistry Department, School of Medicine, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Charlie Usman from Biology Department, School of Medicine, Faculty of Medicine and Health Science, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta also. The program title is The Effect of the Lecture on Hidden Pupils on Parents with Children. And the scheme of this program is PPM Muhammadiyah. I will be thrown here. Diabetes not only threaten adults, but can also threaten children. Prevention cannot be done briefly, but we hope for the best result. Children often consume sweet foods that can increase the risk of developing diabetes mellitus. The sweet taste is very much liked by most children, which sometimes leads to an unfounded dependency. This is supported by the fact that the processed form of sweet foods and beverages are increasing, making the original form of sugar invisible. School-age children tend to prefer consuming energy-dense snacks that are high in fat and sugar, which can increase the risk of being 1.6 times more likely to become overweight and obese, ultimately leading to diabetes. Objective of the research is to increase public awareness of the importance of understanding food intake that has the potential to raise the risk of diabetes in children in an effort to prevent early exposure to diabetes in children. Target and scope of the research is to increase the health status of children. Our methodology here, research approach and design. Our research is a cross-sectional design, and sampling of participants was consecutive sampling. Data gathering technique, respondents are recruited to conduct the survey by consenting the collaborate on it in order to conduct the study. A series of activities involving lecture and discussion are employed. The impact of the lecture and discussion methods on the aforementioned tasks was assessed with using pre and post tests. And data analysis, the data present as percentage, t-test was applied to measure significant difference before and after treatment at confidence intervals 99%. Our finding here, table 1 shows the characteristics of participants. Total participants around 31 respondents, which female is a dominate in this activity, around 26 respondents and equal with 83.87%. And the education of respondents, mostly they were high school, around 28 respondents and equal with 90.32%. And mostly of the occupation housewife, 18% and around 58%. And number 2, as a student, around 10 participants. And the age of the respondent, mostly they are young, still young, yeah, 20 up to 25, about 12 participants, equal with 38.71%. And the elderly, the elderly around 60 years old, only one, and 50 up to 55, around two. And in PQ1, shown the pre and post-test score of participants with an average increase 1.77 point, equal with 22.54%. And here, the sign of star mean the significant differences between pre and post-test. And the table 2 show the square, and this is show that the age and education is correlation. Age and occupation also correlation. Age and retest also correlation. This study shown that the keeping health education about hidden sugar in food can improve parents' knowledge about preventing diabetes in children. After the lecture, participants score increased by 22.54%, showing they better understood which food can raise the risk of diabetes. Younger mother with higher education level had better knowledge before the session, but after the session, all participants had similar understanding. This means the education was effective for everyone. This research suggests that keeping simple, clear health information to parents, especially through local health centers like Tashandu, can help prevent diabetes in children. And here's some documentation during the treatment. This is some activity. This is our student in KKN. They do as facilitator. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.